Let's look at KloudStage Reports comparison features.
I am going to click on Start New Comparison button. I can select two reports from different or same environment and compare the results. Here I can pick from one of my cloud pods where I want this report executed. And then I can choose the reports. Let's say purchase orders in this case. You'll see the number of records returned by the report here. Then I can select the primary column for comparing the data. Click on Compare button, and you'll see the comparison results right here. Total records, matched records, mismatch, etc. This is the fastest way to compare reports output data across multiple Oracle Cloud pods. Visit apps.cloudstage.com and sign up to try for free today.